Okay, we're gonna make some homemade pesto. So I just have some fresh basil that I washed up in my salad spinner. I just harvested a bunch of basil. You're gonna wanna put some extra virgin olive oil, some nice olive oil. You can put in some fresh cheese, right? Some Parmesan, Romano. If you love garlic, throw in some garlic cloves. And of course, this also calls for some pine nuts, but I'm not going to put the nuts in here. A lot of times I don't have pine nuts, so I'll go ahead and throw in some walnuts too, and you can do that as well. So we'll throw that in there, and here we go. Put it on both. You can freeze this pesto, which is so wonderful, in little freezer containers like this, and then pop it out whenever you need it for sauces or stews or soups, right? Or maybe you want it just on your pizza as a base instead of tomato sauce. It's so fabulous. Again, all it was fresh garlic, olive oil, basil, and some Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Garlic, right? All right, there you go.